Hey YouTube world. I got a quick question. On my Galaxy S8 Plus, I have this running. I don't know what that is. Every time I scroll down to look at it, it says message, backup, and sync. Now, I don't have a backup message running, and when I click on it, it shows me this. I don't know exactly how to get rid of this, because when I click on this, it goes to that. I always have to do a force stop. I can't disable it. Can someone please help me to get rid of this permanently, not show up at all? And by the way, got my UAG case for it. It fits good, feels good. But let me know.